Okay, and how I can open this BMW fuel line connector? And there is a trick that this part is like movable, and sometimes this works, and now I have to pull out, and then when I press this totally down in here, I can open this fuel line. Look, this can be sometimes tight. Now I have to press this black part in here, and same time I take this fuel line away. And now note that there is gasoline in here, and that's we have to install in here immediately plastic bags, because otherwise there is risk that in here we can generate fire in that area, and also in this another part in here we have to protect these fuel cables so that there is no any dirties going in their inside. It is really critical thing, because if we install in here any sand or particles, then we have might to be fuel injector stuck. Okay, and now I go to take my small plastic bags.